each and everyone. So I am Ms. Vanessa Montecarlo and I'm going to discuss about some competencies of entrepreneurial competencies. So if naminaw ko kanina kung sa si entrepreneurial competency, number 20. Okay, thank you. So when we say entrepreneurial competencies, so it is a set of skills and behaviors that an entrepreneur must have so that they can manage a business venture. So I am going to give you some of the entrepreneurial competencies. So the first one is so commitment or committed entrepreneur. So when we read everyone, dedication and persistence, an entrepreneur demonstrates towards achieving their goals. It involves being fully engaged and dedicated to entrepreneurial venture, even in the face of challenges and feedback. So, committed or committed entrepreneurs, so they are the one na committed and motivated when it terms in their business venture. So, kita God wants to be motivated sa isang committed na sa isang craft na to. So, a lot of ginabuhat ato ang best para maka-provide the quality products sa ato ang mga consumer or customers. So, naatay key aspects of committed or committed. So, the first one is the passion. So, when we say passion, so sa passion is even though na ay mga challenges na appear sa kanang dili ba na malikayan naman natin kay mga challenges na moabot sa isang dili man always na kanang succeed ang imuhang kuan. So, is even though na challenges si passion is ang kuan na magpadayon gihapon na mulong ka sa brighter side sa utang. For instance, dili ka mag-stay sa kanang na problema ko alis na akong business, so madaw na lang ka-delay ka na. So, the second one is perseverance. So, same tawag lang lang no, si perseverance from the word persevere, which means ka na magpadayon. Then, the third one is long-term vision. So, when we say long-term vision, so it means ka na, for instance, ang imuhang business, aim sa imong business is to give quality and affordable product. So, dapat clear ay imuhang vision nga kanang dapat i-give na ko din, especially if imuhang target is na ng mga students and So, and also if you're an entrepreneur, you should consider the feedbacks of your customers. Kaya din in that way, kanang makakuan man ka kani dapat iyang i-improve, kani dapat ako ang anak. Then the second one is
to utilize resources effectively to maximize output in a ways. In an entrepreneurial context, efficiency is for optimizing productivity and achieving business objectives.
So from the word efficient so it means maximizing your time and effort dun sa isang utang. So, best example na kung hatagani is, for instance, isa ka ka-entrepreneur and ang imong business is kanang resort. So, which means na if isa ka efficient ka entrepreneur, more on focus ka sa kanang operational nimo, more on imo siyang i-maximize. Kaya in business is of course, ang atong is customer. So, dapat si customer is masatisfy sa imong service. So, if ang customer magod masatisfy sa imong service is kanang magbalik-balik yun na sila, then maka ko na siya lain ng mga customers. So, if na makagive sa imong customers of high level of kanang experiences like kanang easy ka pag-check-in sa ilahang mga easy pag-check-in especially sa resort kanang ang imong accommodation na imong system na easy lang para sa ilahang ma-access. So makadali siya og kanang mga customers. So that would be all. Yes.